Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips and tricks to keep your digital life smooth and secure. Today, we're diving into how to update Adobe Reader 2025. If you're still using an older version, it's time to upgrade. New features, bug fixes, and enhanced security are just a click away. Let's get started. First things first, why bother updating? In 2025, Adobe Reader has some cool updates like improved PDF editing tools and better compatibility with modern devices. Plus, outdated software can be a gateway for cyber threats, so staying current is crucial for your online safety. Step 1. Open your current Adobe Reader application. Look for the Help menu in the top bar. Click on it and select Check for updates. If an update is available, it'll prompt you to download it right away. Easy peasy. If that doesn't work, or if you're not seeing any options, head over to the official Adobe website. Fire up your web browser and go to adobe.com. Navigate to the Products section and find Adobe Acrobat Reader. Download the latest version compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or even mobile. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install. You might need to agree to terms and conditions, so keep an eye out for that. After installation, restart your computer to ensure everything settles in properly. Finally, verify your update by reopening Adobe Reader and checking the About section under Help. You should see the 2025 version number. Awesome job! There you have it. Updating Adobe Reader is straightforward and keeps your PDFs running smoothly. If you run into any issues, double-check your internet connection or visit Adobe's support page. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.